The Executive Committee of the National Council of Churches of Kenya has on this day, 2nd and 3rd December 2020, held a blended meeting where heads of churches met here at Jumuiya Conference and Country Home Limuru, while the other delegates joined us via virtual platform. The meeting executed statutory business and also considered matters of national concern. During our deliberations, we took into consideration the invitation by the book of Isaiah chapter 1 verse 18. Come, let us reason together. The ballot paper is going to be a booklet, and it will be very hard to count those booklets and to make sure that we correlate who voted for which clause and which is the other. So it can also have a bit of absurdity. But we call upon the members of parliament and the Electoral Boundaries Commission to consult, and that is why we are saying let there be consultation on all the proposals that are coming on the way. We would also like the 2022 election to be separated completely from the referendum. It is our feeling that as a society and Kenyans want to have an election that they deal with only one issue, having the 7 ballots that elect all the 7 members that they elect, from the president to the MCA. If you combine it with something else, then we are going to have some challenges. And I think that is something that we can reach out and build consensus among the stakeholders. On the reopening of schools, we have concern that we are seeing the figures of COVID going up. So we don't know whether they will be going up or they will have flattened by the time we reach January. So our feeling is, let the stakeholders in the education sector, we also work with the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Health, sit down and review